Do you want to add a job board to your website but you're not sure how? JBoard offers 3 easy ways to seamlessly integrate jobs into your site. In this video, I'm going to guide you through each option, show you how to set it up in minutes, and explain the benefits so that you can choose the best fit for your needs. Now, when it comes to integrating a job board into your website, you have 3 powerful options with JBoard. Embedding jobs directly onto a page, hosting the job board on a subdomain, and hosting the job board in a subfolder. Each option is really simple to set up, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to do it and when to use each one. The first option is embedding jobs directly onto a page of your website. So for example, if you run a blog or a community site, you might want to display jobs directly on your homepage. Now, let's take this website here as an example. This is testjobboard.com. And if we scroll down, we've got no jobs in here. So let's say we want to insert some jobs in this panel, kind of just around here. Now, the first thing you do is head into your dashboard in JBoard, go down to Tools and Widgets and click on Embeddable Jobs widget. Now, in here, you've got some filter options if you wanted to filter out specific jobs, such as filter by text, filter by employer, filter by location even. And then you have advanced settings, so you can limit the number of jobs that you show on your widget. You can hide the widget title, and you can also hide employer info if you really wanted to as well. Now I'm happy with these settings right here, so I'm going to click on Generate HTML code, and there you go. So this is the code that you need to embed JBoard into your website. So let's copy that to the clipboard. Now, I'm going to go into my website admin here, and I've already created a block that I want to add the JBoard embeddable widget into. So this is a Squarespace option, but it's the same in Wix and all other types as well. So I'm going to ask it to embed as code snippet, and I'm going to add that code that I copied into here. Okay. So you can already see that we have got jobs in here. Now, once I'm happy with everything here, I'm going to click on Save. I'm going to go back into my original website. I'm going to refresh that. And then I'm going to scroll down. And now I've got my jobs embedded into here from my job board. Now, this option is quick, it's lightweight, and it's perfect if you want to add jobs to an existing high traffic page without building a separate job board. The second option is hosting your job on a subdomain like jobs.testjobboard.com or jobs.yoursite.com. Now, this is ideal if you want your job board to have its own identity while still being very closely tied to your main website. A fantastic example of this is Cointelegraph. If I flip over to their job board here, you can see up here jobs.cointelegraph.com. Now, they use that subdomain to keep their job board connected to their Cointelegraph brand while offering a clean and dedicated experience to their job seeking community. Setting this up is really, really simple. So if we go back into our dashboard here, and we come out of here, and we go to job board settings. Now you can see here in your job board settings here, you've got job board name, subdomain, and job board domain. Now it's in the domain that we need to add these settings. So they would have put in here jobs.cointelegraph.com and they'd have clicked update. Now before you do that, you need to update your domain's DNS settings to point your domain to our IP address. This is probably one of the most technical things that you need to worry about when you're setting up JBoard, and we do have a guide here to help you step by step. The benefits of doing things this way is that you get a subdomain that provides a standalone space for your job board while maintaining your brand continuity with your main website. The third and final option, and a real favourite for those with high traffic websites, is hosting your job board in a subfolder like yoursite.com/jobs. Now this is perfect for businesses with strong SEO rankings. By hosting your job board in a subfolder, the SEO authority of your main site is transferred to your job board, boosting its visibility in search engines. And some of our most successful clients use this feature, and JBoard makes it really easy for our users to implement. And if we take a look here at IntelliCare, they've done exactly this. So this is the intellicare.com homepage. There are no jobs on here at all. There's the ability to search, but no jobs actually shown on the homepage. And if we go to the menu item Nursing Professionals and click on Nursing Jobs, this takes us to intellicare.com/jobs, where we can now see the JBoard job board. Now all you need to do is configure the settings in your domain, and we'll handle the rest for you. And this option is unbeatable for SEO. If your website has really high domain authority, a subfolder really ensures that your job board benefits directly from it. So which option is best for you? Well, use embedding if you want to keep it simple and integrate jobs into an existing page. Use a subdomain if you want a standalone job board with a distinct presence. And use a subfolder if your website has got great SEO and you want to maximize your job board's visibility. JBoard supports all three, giving you real flexibility to choose what works best for your business. So integrating a job board into your website has never been easier. Want to see more tips like this? Subscribe to our channel for more guides and insights on building a successful job board. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out to us. We'd love to help.